This is the story of Tom Napoli. Tom, along with his two brothers, started out in life relatively poor. With hard work, Tom and his brothers built Idylwilde Farms into a highly successful business. Tom wasn't crazy about school and had lost his father at a young age. He needed to provide for his family, so he went to work. Tom was a hard worker. He would wake up early each morning and work in the fields at Wilson's farm in Lexington. Then in the afternoon return to Acton for his second job, landscaping. But it wasn't until he met an Acton farmer who saw his potential that things started to change. The farmer wanted to retire but had no one to take over the farm. The farmer then said,
"I'm going to sell you my farm."
Tom replied that he had no money, but the farmer said, "I have trust in you. Let's go to the bank and I'll arrange a loan for you." The farmer arranged a loan at a local bank, and that's how Tom became a farmer. Tom and his wife Catherine named their farm Idylwilde, and for 36 years, they brought their customers fresh eggs, quality poultry, and fine vegetables. In 1969, their sons Thomas, Richard, and David Napoli moved the farm to Acton to continue the tradition of quality and service that made the original stand famous. The small store on Central Street was replaced in 1985 by the present Dutch barn and greenhouse designed by the Napoli Brothers. In this splendid setting, customers can truly enjoy shopping year-round for their daily meals and special occasions in an old-world atmosphere. Family-operated, the Napoli Brothers offer an unbelievable selection of farm-fresh products, deli items, imported cheeses, gourmet breads, and more. Idylwilde Farm is located at 366 Central Street in Acton, Massachusetts, and their website is www.idylwildefarm.com. Thanks to the hard work and dedication of Tom and his family, Idylwilde Farm has become a beloved fixture in the community, serving up fresh and delicious products for generations to come.